It probably comes as no surprise that women attorneys who effectively market themselves are generating more money, more clients, demanding more control of their time, and increasing work satisfaction. Now, women are pretty amazing creatures. We're very well equipped to articulate, to empathize, and we're collaborative and creative. Now, we might not feel comfortable marketing ourselves or our services. We may lack some confidence, or we may simply just not know where to start. But the good news is we're in good company, and there are vast numbers that share this same hesitation. Last month, we held a webinar that discussed opportunities and marketing strategies and some of the hurdles that women attorneys face. And we had a lot of questions and feedback that came as a result of that. And we decided we should probably take a deeper dive into this subject, primarily to develop some of the strategies that women attorneys can be leveraging. So let's work on those strategies. Let's create them and support your networking and referral relationships, two really key activities to growing your business. I invite you to join me on April 19th. I'm going to lead a discussion on how to identify and leverage your qualities, develop your stories, and hone your ask. This is a virtual workshop where we're going to brainstorm and craft your scripts and elevate your confidence. So there's a link below. Click on that. You'll learn more about the event and it'll give you an opportunity to secure your seat and register as well. I hope you'll join us and other attorneys just like yourself who are working to elevate their relationship marketing game. We'll see you there.